Ever found yourself grappling with a software issue that just won't budge? Well, you're not alone. In our increasingly digital world, software problems are becoming as common as a morning cup of coffee. But fret not, because the solution is right here. Our team at Compuworld is here to help. Our services are extensive, covering every possible angle of software issues. We're a team of professionals who specialize in online computer support, available around the clock to ensure you're never left in a lurch. From troubleshooting to software installation, we've got you covered. We pride ourselves on delivering top-notch services, from software development to technical support and everything in between. Our aim is to leave you with a smooth-running system and zero complaints. We're here to provide solutions, whether it's updating your existing software or helping you uninstall something that's been giving you a headache. But that's not all. We also offer software support, ensuring that your programs run smoothly and efficiently. If it's software related, we've got a solution. So the next time you're struggling with a stubborn software issue, remember, you're not alone. Reach out to us at Compuworld, call on 828-686-1952 and let us handle the rest. With our team on your side, software issues will be a thing of the past. Trust us, we've got this. Because at Compuworld, we believe in solutions, not problems.